it's Katherine. I know that it's been about 2 weeks since my giveaway has ended, and I was hoping to film this video earlier, but I just never got around to it, so I apologize for that. Just been busy with life. So anyways, I had 4 people that commented and subscribed and followed all the rules, and they also live in the USA or Canada, so I put them into name generator, and then a generator picks someone, and I will play that for you now. So congratulations to BKA Barbie Bop. Email is in the about section, so just message me there and then we'll figure out everything and I will get all your goodies to you. And I just wanted to quickly come on here and say thank you to everyone that subscribed and is still subscribed and still watching. I have some new cookie videos coming out soon, and I'm really excited to say that they're with my new colors that I got from Americolors Corporation, and I'm just gonna show you them. I got the 50 set and they are so beautiful. I love them. Because before I was only using Wilton's food coloring and my colors weren't very bright, and that's basically why there hasn't been a video for a few weeks, because I tried to make some fall leaf cookies and the colors didn't turn out properly, and yeah, that just didn't work out. So anyways, stay tuned for some new videos and I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.